Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to open File Explorer. It's very easy and one step method. So just follow my screen. Open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out the temp folder. Here it is. Right click on it and select properties. Now we need to just focus this on window. Now go to security tab and then click on advanced option. Now we need to select our user, so I will select it. Now click on add, select a principal and type here everyone. Okay, now click on check names and click on OK. Now select full control and click on OK. Now select it and click on apply, select S and then OK. Once done, we need to simply restart our system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.